It's me again. I just ran around the house just to see how big the space is, and I am sweating. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of house. We thought we'd take part 2 to this video and just show you anything that we might have missed on part 1. Here's your great first floor guest bedroom with a triple bay window. Really cool, that's an upgrade. And then we've got, coming out of here, you've got your own private bathroom, of course, quartz countertops, no carpet, designer paint. I mean, it's cool. When it's time to, I don't know, read the encyclopedia or call up and attend a corporate meeting, you can sneak into your own private office, den space with a beautiful red hibiscus tree out the window. They really thought of everything here. Every window has a purpose. Every view has taken into account what you're going to see, and they've really highlighted that quite wonderfully. Let's end the video in the master bedroom, shall we? Again, no carpet whatsoever. Beautiful view out to your own private, awesome custom pool. And then, oh my gosh, this bathroom, I'm just speechless. Let's just let the camera do the work on this one, guys. I think that we could rent out the shower space to somebody. I mean, that's got to be a 50 square foot shower. I mean, this is like a separate apartment, just the bathroom. But you got your double basin, quartz countertop, vanity with the soft close cabinets, which is a really nice touch. They thought of everything, folks. Monstrous master closet. I mean, you could get lost in there. And with a little bit of creative energy, this house could be yours. You could put your own personal stamp on it. Let's walk outside. I'm going to hit you with the price. So we've seen it all. We've seen the house. We've seen the kitchen. We've seen upstairs. We've seen the pool. Now we just need to know the price, right? Okay. Well, today what Pulte has done is they've drastically marked down specific homes to move them off their books. And what they've done with this home is they've marked it down to $776. That's a 5-bedroom home, incredible square footage, KitchenAid appliances, custom pool, $776, folks. Give me a call. It's James Black from your Sotheby's International Realty. If you call me before, let's say 5 o'clock, I might even be able to squeeze some extra money off this deal. 239-223-4989. James Black. Call me today. Let's get it done. Let's call this your new home.